Guys, don't miss out on this 90-cent move for the XRP because right now we're having this huge midterm W pattern that is about to break, and once we break above that resistance, we're gonna head into that 90 cents territory, giving us a 36.17% move to the upside. And also, guys, we're also having very beautiful confluence hitting this magnificent white line pumper because this white line pumper, in summary, almost every single time XRP touches this line, it likes to pump very hard. The XRP price, boom, pump, 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 and you get it, boom, boom, touch, and pump. And right now we just touched that line very recently here. This white line was already touched very, very beautifully here, and we're gonna have beautiful confluence going to the upside and having support here, guys. So, and also after the XRP price reaches 90 cents, what are you looking to do? I'm going to be discussing what to realistically expect for the XRP price in the short term, midterm, and long term, guys. So stay tuned, guys, and let's get started, guys. Hi, guys, and welcome to Crypto Solutions, here to help you make the best decisions in cryptocurrency and in cryptocurrency technical analysis. So before we get started for the XRP technical analysis YouTube video, guys, like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends because your free like gives my channel a lot of support and a lot of engagement increase. So in exchange for your free like, I will give you free value, guys. As you can see, I really appreciate your very great support on my algorithm videos. And this is what the like button does, guys. It increases my view count by a lot and also my subscriber counts by a lot. And also, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions, if you haven't subscribed yet, guys. And also click the bell notifications to stay ahead in the cryptocurrency market using my cryptocurrency technical analysis YouTube video, guys. And also, if you want more updates from me in a frequent basis, almost every single day, you can join my Discord group in the description below. Patreon.com/cryptosolutions on the bottom right corner, and I will definitely help you long-term, mid-term, short-term, and for long-term cryptocurrencies I hold, and also many other things, guys. So I will be seeing you in my Discord group right now, guys. So, guys, for the XRP price, so besides XRP making this double pattern, double bottom pattern, once we break above that resistance, we're gonna reach that 90-cent level, and that will be in confluence with this huge resistance. But if we also use this midterm Fibonacci tracing from here, okay, from here to here, we can see that the XRP price has beautiful confluence with that midterm 0.618 Fibonacci extension. So I'm looking to trade this. So I'm looking to trade this all up to 94 cents. And that will give you a price target from the resistance here to here, 42.25% move to the upside. And that will be my selling target for XRP in the midterm because this W patterns almost every single time plays out. I'm gonna show you guys the evidence that suggests that the W pattern here is gonna break out to the upside with a very high chance and complete the targets, because that's what XRP has done every single time with W pattern. So I'm going to show you guys here. This is a W pattern. This is the famous W pattern. I traded this last year where XRP went to 95 cents and got rejected and fall back because of the SEC when Ripple won against the SEC. And this was mostly a technical play. This didn't have to do a lot with the SEC win, because I'm going to show you guys why technically that works. If we have this W pattern, guys, and if we measure up from the bottom to top here, we can see that the XRP price met the target. Just by seeing the charts, you already knew that this was going to happen anyways for the XRP price, where XRP was going to reach around that 88-cent level anyways because of this W pattern. And not only that, guys, but if we use the Fibonacci tracing from here to here, okay, we usually, using the Fibonacci tracings, XRP likes to pull back, and then once we have a clear bottom here, it usually pumps and it reaches those yellow lines. In this case, the midterm 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. And where did the XRP price got perfectly rejected? Technically, as most of the times happens, on the midterm 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. And this is the best W pattern because if you go to the 1 monthly time frame, if you were trading this using also the monthly body candle closes here, literally XRP gave you around 4 months to get into the trade. So you had the W pattern break above it. Wow, it even gave you the chance to support here, support, and then met the target. So it gave you 1, 2, 3, 4 months and before getting to this trade. And I already made that trade on the midterm trade. I exited my 100% of the position in between this 80 cents to 82 cents, and on my long-term positions I exited around 50% of my portfolio. And then it pulled back, I rebought, so I'm very good to go with XRP, made my very great profits, made more than 123%, and I published that on my Discord group and also on my YouTube channel for that specific one. So this is the same thing I'm expecting for XRP, but here in the short term on the weekly time frame, as you can see, okay? And it has a very high chance of happening, of course. It's not a guarantee because nothing in investing is guaranteed. This is not financial advice. This is just me sharing what I'm looking to do, how to trade XRP in my view. I'm not telling you how to do it or when to do it. I'm just telling you what I'm going to do and when I'm going to do it, guys. So based on this, next target would be 90 cents to 95 cents. 95 cents technically speaking. And also, guys, XRP is also breaking out of multiple bullish patterns. So I'm going to show you guys very quick here. If we go here, we have a falling wedge that also has been helping the XRP price pump, which is this resistance, support, resistance, all the supports, resistance here. Once it broke above this resistance, what do we usually see? A back test of that previous resistance as new support multiple times here, multiple weekly retests, and then boom, pop to the upside. And the other reason why it happened was because of this falling wedge. And the technical price target for this falling wedge would be the top of the wedge. That would be going to this $1.96. Okay, so that's still a very great trading opportunity because from where it's at right now, it would be up here around 220.85% move to the upside from here. So still, it is still a very great time to buy XRP in my opinion. I'm not telling you what to do, but in my view, how I see this for myself, I see this as a very great buying opportunity. And also we have a descending boundary wedge also playing out. Another reason why XRP has been going up also here. So we have a resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, and then breaking above, pullback support, and then it is on its way to this $2.77 level. Okay, that will be the next target. This pattern takes some time, but it will eventually go there, guys, based on big time frame patterns. And the biggest pattern of them all, my favorite pattern for trading XRP for long term would be this massive asymmetrical triangle, guys, because this huge asymmetrical triangle has a huge target, guys. Okay, I'm gonna tell you guys here: support, resistance, support, resistance, and consolidation. Once we break above this resistance and can hold above this as new support, then the next target would be $26, around $26, and it has a very high chance of happening. Why, guys? Well, this is very easy. I'm going to show you guys previous patterns using the XRP history. So if we go to our previous patterns here, okay, we can see that the XRP price formed this huge asymmetrical triangle: support, resistance, and consolidation, resistance, breaking above that resistance, confirming that previous resistance as new support, and then following through to the upside, meeting the target out of this asymmetrical triangle. Okay, and then what do we see here? If we use the Fibonacci retracements from here to here, which is from this top to this bottom here, we can see that the XRP price, once it broke new all-time highs here, boom, it then got rejected around that 1.618 Fibonacci extension almost perfectly. Okay, and so that is two ways in which you can determine what is the XRP price going to do next based on new all-time highs and based on these patterns. But not only that, guys, okay, not only that, but we also saw another asymmetrical triangle, but this one was a bullish pennant, a very, very bullish pennant, which I'm gonna show you here, okay? This one, you see here, after we got that rejection on the 1.61 Fibonacci extension plus the asymmetrical triangle target, after we got that rejection because of the completion of the asymmetrical triangle price target and the 1.61 Fibonacci extension, we then form a bullish pennant, okay? Here, boom, boom, support, resistance, support, 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 resistance, resistance. Once we broke above that, guys, we head to that perfect top, okay? How do you measure this, guys? Very easy. You go from the bottom here to the top here, and then you put the bullish pennant here on the break of the target, and what do you see here? Boom, perfect top, okay? Again, this doesn't happen very often, but for XRP so far, it has played out perfectly, and that's how you get that perfect top, and then a pullback to that bottom of the bear market. So that's how you trade this, guys. That's what XRP has done in the past. It's not a guarantee it's gonna happen every single time, but based on probabilities, which is every single investment, everything has probabilities, even in real life. Real life events, I'm referring more to like physical aspects, any things around the world. And as you can see, this has a very high chance of playing out. Why? Because of those previous evidence, because of that previous evidence based on those two patterns before, okay? This is more long term. So if we go and do the same here, we have, again, the huge asymmetrical triangle. We have the support, resistance, support, 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 resistance, and right now, consolidation. Once we break above, hold support, this is the next target, around $26. If we want to use the Fibonacci tracings to have more of an accurate scenario, we use from this top to this bottom, and the 1.61 Fibonacci extension would be around that $27 territory, 26. So $26 to $27. And at the same time, we have the very, very beautiful confluence price target out of this huge asymmetrical triangle, giving us very, very great confirmations here for this target to be most likely met. I want to point out, guys, this has a very high chance, but the one of the few scenarios in which this cannot complete the target would be if a lot of people are going to be watching for this huge asymmetrical triangle, then it increases the chances for it to not meet the target, because if most people are looking at the same thing, most people don't win in this market. And usually the market maker will make sure that if most people are looking for one specific scenario to sell, then they're gonna have you lose money in two scenarios, okay? They're gonna make you lose money either falling short out of this target or going above the target a little bit higher, okay? That's two ways in which this can be invalidated, okay? That would be only considered if a lot of people are watching for the stop. So it's like Bitcoin. When Bitcoin topped out, I'm gonna show you guys. So in this instance, when Bitcoin tops out, it usually forms these huge peaks and huge pullbacks, as you can see. Huge peak, huge pullback. Huge peak, huge pullback. And so it happened 3 times here, okay? So in this specific scenario, when we were around here pumping for the Bitcoin price here, most people were watching for a peak, okay? And the way most people got finessed was because when we reach here, we consolidated around the top, okay? And that was our first time. Most people were watching the peak and then boom, a pullback, okay? That's what most people were looking at this time, okay? Then a pullback, they still were bullish, and then another peak, and boom, pullback, and that was your last pullback. So this was the first time in which Bitcoin formed this weird top compared to the previous ones, because you have a one peak, second peak, and that has never happened before. And this was the first time. But that's my point. If most people are watching for a peak, then it's not going to happen. It's either going to be something different. It's going to be something different. Okay, there's almost no way around that. So that's why I'm saying, guys, in order for this to have a very high chance, most people cannot be looking at this. But at the same time, I want to help you guys. And at the same time, I'm exposing this, potentially having this have a little bit less chance if a lot of people are looking at this. Because around this time frames, guys, asymmetrical triangle here, most people were not watching that and not watching the bullish pennant. Like, try to find a YouTube video where you can find asymmetrical triangles that have been verified by technical analysts that have publicly announced that. Almost no one announced that, okay? So far, I haven't watched no one announce that so far because I haven't watched every single XRP video. But the point is, most people were not watching that, and that's why it played out. And this is the same here. This will play out with a very high chance if most people are not watching this, okay? But at the same time, I want to help you guys. I'm watching this, and I'm going to be trading this. Right now, most people are not watching this. They're mostly lost in the XRP news and lost with Bitcoin news. They think that the market is run by news and all of this bullshit. But no, that's not how it works, guys. The markets are run by mostly technical analysis, if you know where to look. And that's why I'm showing you where to look in order to have an advantage over the market using my technical analysis YouTube video, guys. As you can see here, we can see the reasoning for almost every single move here, okay? Very, very easy. Well, guys, this is very easy to analyze. If we go here, how can we know that XRP is gonna pump from here? Well, this is all technical, okay? We're gonna just draw a funny wedge, okay? Very easy, just from here to here. We have this funny wedge. We have here, funny wedge, okay? Funny wedge here. We have resistance, support, resistance, resistance, support, resistance, support still, fake out, and then break above, confirmation of previous resistance as new support, and follow through. Then pull back perfectly to that support, bounce back, meet the target around that 95 cents, went a little bit higher, but overall we traded most of that movement, okay? I'm not saying I traded this, I'm just saying that this had a pattern to it, and this was the pattern, okay? So that's how it works. That's how it works, guys, okay? Almost every single price can be tracked down with patterns, Fibonacci retracements, and horizontal support, horizontal resistance. So yeah, be aware of that, guys. I mean, most technical analysis YouTubers don't know how to properly do technical analysis. So that's why I'm giving you that edge. And again, the way this market works, if most people are watching a technique that works 100%, then it increases the chances by a lot that it's not going to happen. That's how it works. It will keep working as long as most people are not aware of it. And when most people are aware of it, that's where it doesn't work. Sometimes it does work and it just falls short out of the target. So for example, let's say if we have a asymmetrical triangle here, we're gonna draw it like this, something like this, okay? The target is here, okay? And once we break out of the asymmetrical triangle, if most people are watching for that, we can see something like this, boom, fall short and not meet the full target, okay? Or we can have a break above here and then a fake out and then completing the target to the downside, because with asymmetrical triangles you have a target to the upside or to the downside. If it breaks support, you go here, breaks resistance, you go here, okay? And if you have a fake out, then that increases the chances when this support breaks to go to the other side. So that's how it works, guys. Nothing is 100% here in the markets, but we can still make a lot of money by trading this, because trading works if you're in the top 10% or know how to outperform the market. It's just most people don't know how to look charts. That's why I'm teaching you how to look at the charts better than most people, okay? So, and have an edge on this market, because if you know where to look, you're gonna outperform it. Because if this market wasn't tradable, then logically you will not have anyone making any profits. But if there's 10% of people making profits, still there's a way to it. You just have to figure it out, and I'm helping you figure that out as best as possible and as much as possible. Also guys, for the final confirmation to see XRP make new all-time highs, it has to break, technically speaking, above this macro 0.76 Fibonacci tracing. That will be breaking above $1.61. Once XRP can break above that, hold that as support, that's where we're gonna see those new all-time highs for XRP. To finish off the video guys, if you go here to the RSI on the 2 monthly, okay, this can give you an edge on where to sell near the top just using one indicator. Here we have a peak, reset, another peak, top. Here on the 3 monthly time frame, if we go here, we can see that the peak was around 96 RSI and that was the top. Okay, so we can use an average. So let's say on the 3 monthly we have an 86 RSI and then a pullback and then another peak, 96 RSI, and then another dumpage. Then here on the previous bull market for XRP, it didn't reach new all-time highs. My theory for that is because the XRP price didn't have a very clear trading pattern based on only XRP at this moment, because here it still was forming this range here for this huge asymmetrical triangle. And now we're gonna see that break above, in my opinion, okay? So this reached almost new all-time highs, and that was this peak, 64. It wasn't even close to the peak here, okay? So if we have an average in between 86 to 95 RSI, that would be also another signal to sell in the 3 monthly time frame RSI. And again, we can use many other tools and indicators, but to keep it simple, that's how I look at this. If you need help in navigating this cryptocurrency market in the long term, mid term, and short term, and also having an exit plan, well, you can join my Discord group in the description below, patreon.com/cryptosolutions. And here, as you can see, I made 1,108.85% move with Jasmine, taking a lot of profits here. And also, if you go here, data, making a 984.94% profits in the midterm. Here for Cardano, I took some profits here, also 167.60% profits here. For Sandbots, I took around 235.71% profits here. This midterm personal XRP trade I'm giving you guys today, I already published this on March 1, 2024. And Ethereum, also, I give you a setup where you can enter from $2,189.45. Right now it's up around 80% if we go to the charts here. Here, Ethereum is up from the trading opportunity from here to here. It is up around 81.29% profits. And also when I'm buying and selling for long term, I also publish it here. So today I made around 144.30% profits for data. Another profit taking level Dogecoin, 101%. I have here also Pepe, 229.43% profits. Also, we have Turbo, 168% profits. Jasmine, 181.12% profits. PNG, 160% profits, and many more guys. And I also cover other cryptocurrencies most of the times on a weekly basis for Chainlink, Bitcoin, XRP, Theta, Cardano, and many more. So if you need help navigating this cryptocurrency market, guys, you can join my Discord group in the description below, patreon.com/cryptosolutions. And it is very affordable. You will get far much value than what you're paying for, and I update my Discord group almost every single day, guys. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm seeing mostly for XRP today. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. Leave a like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions, if you haven't subscribed yet, guys. And also click the bell notifications to stay ahead in the cryptocurrency market using my cryptocurrency technical analysis YouTube video, guys. And also, guys, since you got a lot of value from my YouTube video today, guys, leave a like in exchange for this very great value, guys. And I really appreciate it anyways. I will be seeing you in my Discord group right now, guys. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. Have a nice day, guys. Take care, guys, and peace out, guys.